Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways how to cancel Sling TV on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so one way to cancel Sling TV is to open up your Play Store. Then from here, click onto your user profile, top right hand corner of the page, and go to payments and subscriptions. From here, go to subscriptions and now find Sling TV, click onto it, and then click onto unsubscribe or cancel. Another way what we can do, if you're on your iOS device, it's similar. You need to go ahead and open up your device settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, select subscriptions, find and tap on Sling TV, and choose cancel subscription. Now, if you want to do it on your mobile web browser, open up Google Chrome or your preferred web browser, and then head on over to sling.com. Then you need to sign into your account, then tap the menu icon, which is usually three horizontal lines or a gear icon, and select my account. In the your subscription section, tap cancel subscription, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email.